Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. How is everybody doing today? Today is Sunday, so we want to make something special. So we're going to be making some Gajar ka Halwa, carrot halwa. Okay, so to make that, I have I think it's 3 pounds of carrots. I already peeled some of them and cut them. I kept a couple of them to show you how to peel them. Just cut them a little bit, ends, both sides, and peel them with a peeler. There you go. Easy peasy. Fast. Cooking takes a little bit longer time, but the preparation is not that bad because it's just very fast. We don't get the carrots over here like dark, almost like a reddish orange, reddish color like how we get in India. We don't get that color over here in USA. So we get like orangish, like this kind of carrots. I never seen that Indian carrots over here. Oh yeah, I've seen in Indian store 1 or 2 times. It's very expensive. Okay, that's it. I washed them real good. Now we peel them. Now we are gonna grate them on my food processor. Not with my hand. Oh, that's a lot of work. Okay. Easy peasy. Okay, we'll put it this way. Okay, let me do all of them. Okay friends, I shredded my carrots. Looks good, and it only took me like 5 minutes to shred in the food processor, or you can also get it in the store already shredded one. It's gonna be more easier, but when you're making a whole lot, you have to do it because I'm making a lot of them. I'm gonna boil this with the sugar, then I'm gonna freeze like a 2 or 3 Ziploc bags full of them. Then rest of them I'm gonna cook. So I'm not cooking the whole thing, but I prepare and keep it in the freezer. If somebody comes guest, you can just remove some of them and add some milk and some mawa, or maybe if you don't have that, you can add some ricotta cheese and just and then you can make the dessert. Okay, let's go see how to cook this carrot halwa. Okay, I turn my stove on. And then I put it over here, this one. Now I'm gonna add some milk. So we're gonna boil this carrots in the milk. It's a whole milk. So I'm gonna put all this milk. Okay, once you start boiling this, it's gonna shrink. It's going to get like almost less than half of the quantity. Okay, let's just cover this and cook for half an hour, and then we'll come back. Okay friends, it's been cooking for 20 minutes. It's getting soft. So now I'm gonna add sugar. The carrots are already sweet, so I'm not adding too much sugar. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar in that much mix. If you eat very sweet, then you can add a lot of sugar, as much as you want. But this much, 1 cup sugar is enough for me and my family. We don't eat very sweet, and it's already sweet. So okay friend, if you like more sweeter, you can add as much as you want. I add only 1 cup of sugar. Then I'm gonna cook until this water evaporates. Until then, I'm gonna go ahead and chop my nuts. my almonds and cashew nuts, some pistachios. Okay. Okay friends, I cooked 10 more minutes and all the water is evaporating. There's a little bit left in the bottom, and I tasted it looks needed more sugar, so I'm adding 1 cup of more sugar. There's 2 cups sugars in there. It depends how much you like. If you like more sweeter, you can add more. If you don't like too sweeter, don't add too much sugar. Okay. I'm a diabetic, so I don't eat. It's for the family and friends. They can have it. Okay friends, while I was waiting over here, while it's cooking, I chopped my nuts. I just split them into half. My cashew nuts and almonds also, I just cut them in half. And the pistachio also, I just cut them in half. Okay, so we are gonna fry them in the ghee, and I'm gonna add it in there. But right now we are gonna add some khowa, mawa. So mawa is in milk solids. I made this mawa, khoya. I'm gonna add some of it. Not this whole thing is too much. So just add some. Okay, I add almost half of it. You just have to make mawa. I made this one, so you can make it too. I haven't recorded yet. I can record this recipe later, maybe one day. Just the milk, you have to keep on stirring and just keep on cooking and cooking until it gets hard. Just the milk solids leaves, all the water evaporates. Then that's called mawa. Okay, I think I might have to cook for 10 more minutes, then I'll come back. Okay, another 10 minutes pass. We're gonna add some clarified butter, ghee. I made this ghee the other day. I will give you the recipe for this. You just have to separate the milk solids and water from the butter. Okay. So we add some of that. Then it's gonna go some with the nuts too. When we fried nuts, we're gonna have some more ghee with that too. Okay, I need to cook a few more minutes. Still a little bit of water left in there, not too much. It'll take maybe 10 more minutes. Then our halwa will be ready. Okay friends, most of the water is evaporated, the syrup, and is getting thicker. So now we are gonna fry some nuts and put it in here, and we're gonna cook for a little longer. Okay, we're gonna add some ghee in there. So okay, I'm gonna move this one away from here, from the stove. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, I'll put it in this big pan. I'm gonna add a couple of spoons of ghee to fry our nuts. Bas. Or nahi. No more cholesterol. Okay. Okay, we will add all these nuts in there. Fry for a while. If you don't have mawa, you can use heavy whipping cream. Who's living in North America, we use that heavy whipping cream and any kind of milk powder. You can use those two things together and it's going to become like a mawa. Okay, our nuts are ready. So we do not want to fry too brown, so that's fine. I'm going to remove them and put in the plate. Okay, I'm going to leave some of them and add that carrot halwa in here. And cook for 15-20 minutes more. Then our halwa will be ready. Okay friends, our yummy gajar halwa is ready. It's done. So wow, so much aroma. The whole house was smelling so good. Well, all my neighbors is running to my house. What is the smell? What is that aroma? So I made so much I can give it to everybody. Okay, let me plate it and show it to you how does it look. Okay. Okay friends, our gajar halwa is ready. Now you can have this. You can put a little bit of khova on it. Around it. Okay, yummy, looks so beautiful. See, this tastes good, it smells good, so much aroma, is so beautiful. It's smelling the whole house and looks so good. Okay, if you like my video, try this recipe. If you like my video, please click like, share with your family and friends, and definitely subscribe. Please press that bell icon. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll get the notification as soon as I upload the video. Okay, see you in next video. Bye.